On a blissful morning, I decided to take a train around Berlin to the Wannsee, one of the many beautiful lakes within Germany. Berlin and Brandenburg are crisscrossed by lakes, the most important of which the Wannsee. The lake offers numerous opportunities for recreation and can be used for boat tours, swimming, or water sports. Wannsee is a district in the west of Berlin with particularly attractive features. The place is named after the largest lake in the chain of lakes of the same name, the Große Wannsee. The almost 3 square kilometer lake is a haven for water sports enthusiasts and day trippers. Visitors enjoy the place either for a tour on a sailing boat, swimming in the outdoor pool, and a walk to one of the numerous restaurants. Wannsee is not a single tourist attraction, but rather a district in western Berlin that boasts particularly attractive features. During the summer months, it is primarily the fact that it is the home to the most significant lake district in western Berlin that makes the area so appealing. From central Berlin, it only takes about 45 minutes. It is a 10-minute walk to the lake. Wannsee is one of Berlin's natural gems, a place where the beauty of the landscape merges with history and culture. This lake, which stretches for about 2.5 kilometers, is not only a place for recreation, but also a landmark that attracts visitors from all over the world. One of the most popular ways to escape the hustle and bustle of the city center is a day out in Wannsee. I found the people at the Wannssee to be relaxed and calm, with many just wishing to sit blissfully by the lake, either by themselves or company. Kayaking and canoeing is also one of the best leisure activities both locals and visitors can enjoy in Wannsee. A great way to get some exercise without feeling like you're working out. It's an ideal for relieving stress and connecting with the surrounding nature. The lake itself is gorgeous, with what seemed like both forests and the city of Berlin combined on its borders. The Wannsee is essentially another example of the beauty and complex uniqueness that Berlin had solely to offer to all travelers. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!